If you no longer need Suno AI Music app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this app completely from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To completely remove Suno AI Music app, there are several ways to do this. First, go to your smartphone and open your apps. And if you see the app, just long press on it. And you can see we have an installation option here. If you don't see this uninstall option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app or app info. Just tap on it and this will take you to Suno app information page where you can also uninstall the app from here. However, should this be missing on your phone, then you also have another option to uninstall the app through Google Play Store or App Store. So just search for your app Suno, and if I run the app, you can see we have our app installed and we have an option to uninstall. I'll tap on uninstall and this will remove the app from my smartphone. So if I go back to my apps now, let me go back. Now look at that, our app has been uninstalled. So that's how you can uninstall Suno app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.